Hello, my name is Dr. Antonio Roba. I'm the Medical Director of Xenia Aesthetics and Anti-Aging Clinic. Today I'd like to talk to you about some of our anti-aging services, one of which is bioidentical hormone replacement. As we age, our hormone levels start decreasing, and the decreasing hormone levels can cause deleterious effects in both men and women. Some of the symptoms that people might exhibit is fatigue, mental clarity is reduced, energy levels are reduced, a lot of people gain weight, and these symptoms progress until treatment is started to reverse the process. So what are bioidentical hormones? Bioidentical hormones are hormones that are exactly the same biochemically to the ones that our bodies produce naturally. And by replacing them, we basically rejuvenate our cells. Our vitality and ability to enjoy life improves. Our mental clarity improves. A person becomes very energetic. If they've had issues with decrease in sexual interest, their libido improves. The benefits are immense. If anybody is interested to learn more about bioidentical hormone therapy replacement treatment, please call our clinic at 703-992-9815. Thank you.